Hello! Today I'm in Volkswagen Passat B7. In this video I'll show you how to enable front wipers. Let me just tell you that there are few types of power for front wipers. If you want to enable them, look at the right side of the steering wheel and focus on this lever. Firstly, push this lever once up, then again, and that's the fastest speed. If you want to turn it off, set it to neutral position. If you want to use it just once, pull it downwards once. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.